Right. Could you take warm up paper number 23? Warm up paper number 23, right? What do they ask? They want you to show the journal entries to rectify the errors, suspense account, and at the same time, they want you to identify the respective accounting concepts with regard to that. Hari. Api ඉක්මනට ඇඳගමු. We'll have the general journal and also we'll have the general journal and then suspense account. These are the two things that you want to prepare, right? Hurry. We can have the general journal here. And here you get the suspense account. Okay. Make it now that trial balance of Troy and company did not balance. The difference 970 was credited to a suspense account. The later, the following errors have been noticed. The control account has not been maintained by Troy and company. Make a look control accounts maintained. Sorry. The control account had not been maintained by the Roy and company. එතන පුතේ ඒක හදාගන්න මේ control accounts have not been maintained නෙමෙයි have been maintained කියලා. මොකද ඔයාගේ paper එකේ කොයිම වෙලාවකවත් control accounts නැති situation එකක් අහන්නේ නැහැ ආ. හැමතිස්සෙම they want you to prepare the control accounts, right? They want you to prepare the control accounts. හරි. Can you look at the first one there? Right. පළවෙනි එක මේක කියනවා the sales account has been undercasted by 7,000. පුතේ sales account of the sales journal. Sales account has been undercasted by 7,000. Right. මට කියන්න sales account has a debit balance or a credit balance පුතා. Sales account is having a credit balance, right? එතකොට sales account එක undercast වෙලා නම් credit side of the suspense account also was undercasted by how much? Rupees 7,000. Credit side of the suspense account also was undercasted by how much? Rupees 7,000. එතකොට sales account එක credit side understate වෙලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් අපිට suspense account එකක් introduce කරන්න වෙනවා. Correction එකේදී අපි කරන්න ඕනේ මොකක්ද? Sales account debit කරන්න suspense account debit කරන්න 7,000. Sales account එක credit කරන්න 7,000. මේකේ profit එක හොයපු කතාවක් කියන්නේ නැහැ නේද? Profit correction එකක් කියන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙනම් අපිට entries pass කරන්න පුළුවන් in the respective ledger accounts. හරි. එහෙනම් what is the correction entry? Suspense account debit 7,000, sales account credit rupees 7,000. Right. එහෙනම් what's the correction entry පුතා? Suspense debit rupees 7,000. Suspense debit rupees 7,000. Sales credit rupees 7,000. මේක පුතා profit එක හොයලා නැති නිසා we can just write as sales here. Being corrected undercasted sales account. Being corrected එහෙම නැත්නම් you can just say being corrected the sales account. तर suspense account එකට debit වෙලා තියෙනවා මෙතන. Suspense account එකට debit කරන්න sales rupees 7,000. Profit correction එකක් නැහැ. correct කරා නම් අපි ඒක add කරනවා. හරි නේද? Right. ඊළඟ එක overpayment of the electricity bill 500 had been correctly recorded in the electricity bill electricity prepaid account but not credited to the electricity bill account. Overpayments කොහොමද record කරලා තියෙන්නේ? Prepaid electricity bill debit 500. Prepaid electricity bill debit 500. හැබැයි electricity bill එකට credit කරලා නැහැයිලු. එතකොට suspense account එකක් create වෙනවා credit side එකේ. credit කරලා නැත්තේ you haven't passed the credit entry. එහෙනම් you have to temporarily prepare the suspense account. On the correction, what should I do? suspense account need to be debited and credit what account? Electricity bill account must be credited how much? Rupees 500. And what's the correction entry? Suspense account debit, electricity bill account credit. Answer number 2. Suspense account debit 500, electricity bill account credit rupees 500. Suspense account debit and electricity bill account credit. ඊළඟ එක. Payment of 25,000 to the supplier wrongly credited to the trade payable control account. Right. Payment to the supplier. පුතේ අපි supplier කෙනෙක්ට payment එකක් කරොත් what are the two ledger accounts you need? හැමතිස්සෙම transaction එක අඳුර ගන්න. Always you try to identify the transactions and then identify the respective ledger accounts you need. එතකොට පුතේ මෙතන අපිට ඕනේ cash account and the trade payable control account. හරි payment එක 2500 payment එක 2500 එහෙනම් cash control account එකට credit කරනවා කීයක්ද 2500 මේක debit කරන්න ඕනේ supplier account එකට payment එකක් නම් හැබැයි මෙයා කරලා තියෙන්නේ they have credited to the trade payable control account also rupees 2500 ඔන්න එයා පාස් කරලා තියෙන erroneous entry එක මට කියන්න දැන් එයා cash control account එක ගැන කතා කරපො නැති නිසා අපි හිතනවා cash control account එකේ ඒක හරියට record වුණා කියලා ඒක trade payable control account එක debit කරන්න ඕනේනේ payment එකක් හැබැයි ඒගොල්ලෝ credit කරලා තියෙන්නේ එහෙනම් මම මේකට suspense account එකක් introduce කරන්න ඕනේ නේද yes I should introduce a suspense account මට කියන්න suspense account you should introduce from which side debit side correction එකේදී මම කරන්නේ පුතේ මේ payment එකක් කරා නම් supplier එක debit වෙන්න ඕනේ අපි credit කරලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ එහෙනම් trade payable control account එකට 5000 debit කරන්න suspense account එකට 5000 credit කරන්න එහෙනම් what's the double entry trade payable control debit rupees 5000 suspense credit rupees 5000 trade payable control account debit 5000 suspense account credit how much rupees 5000 ඊළඟ එක credit sales 900 had been credited to the sales account and the trade receivables control account credit sales දැන් දෙකටම credit කරලා නේ ආපහු අර වගේමයි credit sales record කරන්න ඕන ledger accounts දෙක මොනවාද trade receivable control account and the sales account. දැන් මොකද්ද question එකේ කියන්නේ credit sales 900 credited to both sales account and the trade receivable control account. This would have been debited whereas you have credited. So do I need to introduce a suspense account for this? Obviously yes. You should introduce a suspense account with a debit balance of 1800. On the correction what should I do? මේකට credit වෙච්ච එක හරි හැබැයි මේකට credit වෙච්ච එක වැරදිනේ එහෙනම් you have to debit 1800 trade receivable suspense account credit how much 1800 fourth one trade receivable control account debit 1800 suspense account credit 1800 being corrected trade receivable control account පුතේ suspense account එකට යන්නේවා මම මෙතන දාලා නැහැ ඒ ටික දාමු දෙවැනි එක electricity bill එකට debit වෙනවා මම ටිකක් මේක speed හදනවා අපිට ලොකු වෙලාවක් ගන්න ඕනේ නැති නිසා දැන් ඊළඟට මෙතන suspense account එක credit වුණා 5000 trade payable rupees 5000 ආපහු suspense account එකට saying trade receivables it was credited 1800 1800 fifth one purchase invoice 890 had been posted from the purchases day book to the relevant suppliers account purchase invoice of 890 had been posted from the day book to the relevant suppliers account 800 පුතේ supplier account එකේ entry එකක් pass කරලා නම් ඒක control account එකට effect එකක් නැහැ supplier account එක තියෙන්නේ private ledger එකේනේ general ledger එකේ නෙමෙයිනේ එහෙනම් there's no effect අපි ජෙනරල් ලෙජර් එකේ එන්ට්‍රීස් පාස් කරන්නේ සස්පෙන්ස් එක මේ ජෙනරල් ජර්නල් එකේ එන්ට්‍රීස් පාස් කරන්නේ ජෙනරල් ලෙජර් එකේ errors වලට. මේක ප්‍රයිවට් ලෙජර් එකේ error එකක්. එහෙනම් ෆයිනෑන්ෂල් ස්ටේට්මන්ට්ස් වලට ඉම්පැක්ට් එකක් නැහැ. ඔතන පොඩි නෝට් එකක් දාගෙන ලියා ගන්න. Have a note and say this is an error in the private ledger. This is an error in the private ledger. Therefore, this is an error in the private ledger. Therefore, there is no effect in there's no effect in general ledger. Right. හරි. ප්‍රයිවට් ලෙජර් එකේ තියෙන errors අපි correct කරන්න යන්නේ නෑ පුතා. අපි correct කරන්නේ හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න errors in the general ledger. Therefore, no, you are not going to correct this. Right. What is next? Owner's personal electricity bill paid by the business 18,000 has been debited to the electricity bill account. වැරදීනේ. ඔතන violate වෙලා තියෙනවා separate entity concept එක නේ. Owner's personal electricity bill paid by the business you have debited to the electricity bill. කොහෙටද ඒක debit වෙන්න ඕනේ? Drawings. එහෙනම් මොකද කරන්නේ? Electricity bill account එක credit කරන්න. Transaction number 6. Credit electricity bill account and debit drawings account debit rupees 18,000 and electricity bill account credit 18,000. මේක suspense account එකට effect එකක් නැහැ. Profit එක හොයලා තිබ්බනම් instead of electricity bill you are supposed to write the P&L. Seventh one. Sales advance 20,000 has been credited to the sales account. Put the sales advance, can you credit it to the sales account? Sales advance, can you credit it to the sales account? No, sales advance is a liability, so cannot be credited to the sales account. And it need to be credited to where? Sales advance, it's a liability. හැබැයි මෙයා sales account එකට දාලා එහෙනම් what should I do? Sales account debit, sales advance account credit. මොකද්ද මෙතන concept එක? Violate කරලා තියෙන concept එක realization concept. What's the double entry? Sales debit rupees 20,000. Sales advance credit rupees 20,000 being corrected the sales advance. Hurry. Identify the two accounting concepts that has been violated. අපි කිව්වා entity concept එක violate කරලා තියෙනවා and the realization concept also have been violated. හරි මේ දෙකෙන් suspense account එකට effect එකක් නැහැ. suspense account එකේ opening balance එක 7,500 balance route forward 700 right. ඉවර කරගන්න question එක. හරි. finished ඉවර කරගන්න.